How to use 1 out of 10 to find viral YouTube ideas. Quick guide. Staring at a blank document trying to guess what your next viral YouTube video should be is a quick way to kill your creative momentum. Most creators follow the exact same broken research playbook. They open YouTube, look at a massive creator in their niche with 2 million subscribers, blindly copy their exact video topic, spend 40 hours filming it, and watch the upload stall out at 200 views. And you failed because you didn't understand the algorithm's baseline distribution loop. That massive creator didn't get a million views because the topic was viral. They got a million views because their massive historical subscriber base acts as a giant safety net, forcing the recommendation engine to push the video. If you have a small or mid-sized channel, copying them is a trap. So today we are mastering 1 out of 10, the industry standard data engine built to map these exact anomalies. We are configuring advanced search matrices, deploying their AI suite, and stealing algorithmic market demand completely legally. And also, guys, before we log into the interface and run our first data sprint, make sure to check the official 1 out of 10 system optimization link in the description below to secure your exclusive trial access and bypass basic account limitations. Okay, so now let us discuss what are outliers on this service and how do they work. So if an educational tutorial channel typically averages 2,000 views per video and suddenly drops an integration guide that pulls 60,000 views, 1 out of 10 flags that upload as a 30x outlier. So for example, I'll give you a short explanation. So as you can see, we have this video. I'm guessing that's about F1 or something like that. So as you can see, the average for this channel is 83k, and this video dropped 290k views. And because of this difference between the 83 and 290,000, the outlier now becomes 3.5x. And this value mathematically proves that the video succeeded entirely because of topic demand and packaging, completely independent of the creator's authority. Okay, and now let's go through how to actually begin searching for these kind of videos that have a lot of engagement. So guys, the most important tool is of course the search bar. So by using this search bar here, this is how you begin. As you can see, videos, thumbnails, niches, and channels are possible here to search for. So for example, let us type in, for example, boxing, right? I like boxing, so let's just type it in, press search. And here, guys, what's the most important? So you can use something called filters, which are very important to make sure to properly get your engagements, and of course be sure to search for the videos with the biggest outlier. So the outlier I've been talking about is the one right here. As you can see, it says 9.8x. That's a lot, right? So for example, as you can see, the average for this channel is 162, and here this guy got a whopping 1.6 million views. So that's a very big outlier. So in order to reach these heights, guys, just go ahead and press on filters and let me explain. So what do you do here? So first off, as always, guys, make sure to click the link in the video description to get yourself a discount and promotional prices for this service so that you can actually open these sliders and that you can actually work with them. So check out the link below and let us continue. So set your subscriber limit to a maximum ceiling of 50,000 subscribers. Right here, just drag this to 50. Then change your outlier factor slider to a minimum of 10x. This one, just slide it to the right. And finally constrain the upload date to the last 90 days or a month right here. And then when you apply your filters, just apply changes, and then you can just go ahead and click on search once again, maybe change your query. Okay, and this filter configuration instantly purges bloated celebrity channels and drops a clean ledger of hyper-validated, fast-moving topics directly onto your screen. And now that your dashboard is filtered to display pure algorithmic overperformers, you must learn to identify content clusters. Finding a single outlier video on a random topic would simply be a fluke. But when you uncover 3 or 4 independent small channels all dropping videos on the exact same topic and all hitting a massive outlier factor, you have discovered an absolute supply and demand void in the market. So just go ahead and choose one of these videos that you find as a result. and look at the interface tools nested right below the video metadata card. And then you can just click similar topics utility button. So what you should be using is just choose a video. Say I will just go with this one that has the 9.8x multiplier. You go, for example, generate idea. And also we have, as you can see, similar titles, similar thumbnails and channels. So you can just click on titles and it will give you we need to upgrade. Okay. It will give you similar titles with the videos that also kind of blow up. And what it will do after is it will instantly execute a deep semantic search across its entire database, pulling down every video on YouTube addressing that same concept. So just review the results when that pops up. If you see multiple channels in your size class pulling huge view to subscriber ratios on this topic, the data is screaming at you to script it. And then in terms of the thumbnails, the similar thumbnails, so this is where 1 out of 10's computer vision neural network goes to work. It bypasses the title entirely and indexes videos based on layouts, compositions, color psychology, and graphic framing. If the system reveals a specific thumbnail style, like a stock macro screenshot with a neon highlight ring, consistently hitting a OF above 5x across different niches, you have found your exact visual packaging template. So just save these winners directly to a custom bookmark folder to seed your pre-production asset board. To do that, just click here. Okay, save it to bookmarks, done. Okay, so now let's get to the idea generator, which is one of the most important things. So guys, you do not feed generic AI models empty prompts. 1 out of 10's AI is explicitly fine-tuned on verified outlier performance data. So just select your folder or viral topic as the core context source. The tool will parse the underlying psychological triggers and output 10 unique tailored video concepts specific to your niche. If you want more, you can do 18 at a time, as you can see, but be mindful of the credits. And then once you lock in your core concept, slide straight into the AI title generator. And in here, guys, input your video idea. The engine won't spill out boring robot-generated keyword strings. It analyzes character optimization lengths and successful power word combinations from top outliers to generate high CTR variations. Every single generated title displays its underlying data inspiration, showing you the exact viral video pattern it is adapting, so you can select your copy with total security. And by doing these steps and by utilizing these tools, your search and packaging workflow is now fully optimized. Also data-backed and engineered for maximum velocity. So just stop letting unoptimized topics and algorithmic guesswork keep your channel trapped at zero traction. Take absolute command of your channel's data analytics by building your content pipeline inside 10 out of 10 today. And as always, lastly, check out the description below right now to grab your specialized optimization link, claim your custom scripting blueprints, and join our elite Create community. That's it. Drop a comment below letting me know your exact channel niche, and smash thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. See you soon.